Spring break at Bob's Discount Furniture.
Lazy Boy Furniture Galleries has chairs and recliners to fit every need, including naps. It's the Lazy Boy trade-in event. Now you can trade in your old sofa or chair